5G progress is challenging. A big reason is that the large project of high-density mobile base station construction with higher reliability requirement brings heavy cost pressure for mobile carriers. FIBERSTAMP Hardened active optical cable series can well undertake short-reach interconnection tasks in 5G Open RAN Fronthaul and bring about 50% cost reduction and 5 years longer hardware working life. As a significant part of FIBERSTAMP complete 5G Open RAN Fronthaul optical interconnection solutions, it brings the economy and reliability of the whole solutions to a higher level. Compared with a traditional scheme, adopting HAOC assembly to realize the interconnection no more than 100 meters between AAU and BBU can largely reduce the construction cost and the complexity of deployment and maintenance, while effectively improves the capacities of dust-proof and waterproof due to the integrated design and invulnerable tightness. Furthermore, the HAOC assembly adopts armed cable with steel inner lining to reinforce the mechanical strength, bringing incomparable reliability to the optical links. FIBERSTAMP Open Optical Network Mail Carrier, providing economical and professional optical interconnection solutions for data center, 5G, and UHD transmission.